Do you know how long it takes your money to grow double through passive investment? Most people save money in banks. The banks give you, say, 6% interest per year. My question to you, if you save $1,000, how long does it take to double your money to $2,000? Let me tell you the secret. Well, it is simple enough. Simply do the following. 72 divides by 6 equals 12 years. Yes, it takes approximately 12 years for your money to grow from $1,000 to $2,000, on the assumption you did not take out or deposit any money during that period. It was easy, right? You now have mastered the Rule 72 and keep investing. Well, how do you find the video? If you like to follow my new video releases on the topic of 2 minutes smart management, then do like, subscribe, and click the bell. See you in the next video.